This is included in this wonderful book, 111 Places to See in Vancouver. Places that you do not want to miss. I find that in filming and doing a video series like this one, or any series, that there is a subject of each video and the secondary and often other minor subjects, which are the point of the video. But as important as all that is, including the importance of all 111 places you should not miss in Vancouver, to be honest with you, it is the in-between encounters with people, the in-between things that I discover that are every bit as important in telling a part of the story of life as the actual subject. Maybe that's true for you, and if it's not, I encourage it to be so, because we are so task-driven in life that we don't realize the parts of life that we call life in between the destination points is every bit as significant and important. And we need to treat them that way, value them, embrace them, right?
All I think of it's you. From morning when I wake up.
Bus crews are trained to handle emergency situations in accordance with Transport Canada regulations. In the unlikely event of an emergency, follow the directions of the crew.
What is that instrument called?
I have no idea.
What is that called?
Balalaika.
My dad played that. Just like the book says, real close to the Billy, a wonderful Legion Hall. Leanne there inside. Kitsilano Beach is a 2-minute walk where you can hang out a little bit after your time there or just before your time and enjoy the beauty of the nature that this part of the world has to offer. Little by little, we're working our way, retracing the steps. 111 places to see in Vancouver that you don't want to miss. Kitsilano Beach, close to downtown Vancouver, right over there. West Vancouver, right over there. Out to Horseshoe Bay, towards Vancouver Island. There you've got, down at the end, you got UBC. The Tower Beach where we were already. A beautiful sunset. If you wanted to know where you could see the oldest bones, the skeletal structure of a blue whale, where would you go? Well, we're here at UBC. And I believe what we are about to see is the relics, the bones, the structure of the oldest known blue whale. Looks like it's locked. I was actually here the other day, and for you that make content of any kind, you will know that once in a while you get a little error message in the window called SD error, and it has to do with the memory card. One of those redo shots, and unfortunately it's closed, so we're going to take the picture through the window, which is really helpful. You'll be able to see it, I hope. inside, or maybe you're just going to end up seeing the reflection. This whale was discovered, the claim is, in PEI, Prince Edward Island, in 1987. And a team of people put together the plans to bring it back and piece together the entire skeletal structure of Canada's largest known blue whale find. Interesting facts about this include the fact that the upper part of the whale's skull was severely damaged. So it is, I guess, what it is, as you would say. Lower jawbone, more than 550 kilograms. Rib cage held a car-size heart. The heart the size of a cow. Now that's of a car. That's big. And then many other facts inside this beautiful museum. Maybe we can get it on the other side back in, and then we'll need to move on. But it's here at the Beatty Biodiversity Center, and it's a beautiful skeletal replica, not replica, maybe actual bones of the largest known blue whale. This is actually a Monday, and I read on the sign going by that it's closed Monday and stat holiday, so that's why we have what we have. And again, not sure if this is going to show through. But you can see the size of that blue whale. What a great day. Thanks for sharing it with me. I really appreciate it. It's good to know you're there.